Hey everyone, and welcome to another installment of the Sawickipedia. This is just a quick update on our car stereo installs. We're just going to test out the Pioneer CD-MC20 setup microphone. So this is an auto EQ microphone that connects to your new Pioneer head unit. I've just pulled the one out of the cube because you do need to connect it to the back of the unit. And there is a tiny little socket back here. If we can get in there, next to the USB connection. There's too many cables in the way at the moment. It's that tiny little black thing next to the USB there, so you just need to plug in the microphone to that. It's like a little 3.5mm headphone jack. And then you need to position the microphone somewhere around the main listening position. So this one's just draped off the back of the driver's headrest. Once you've got that plugged in, just turn this back around. Now it won't let you do the setup if any of the source is on. So if you've got the radio on, it won't give the option to set anything up, so you've got to make sure the source is off. And then in the setup menu under audio, just scroll through to auto EQ. I've already done a measurement just to test to see whether it detects if your speakers are reversed, so reverse polarity, and I can say it does not detect that. So make sure you've got your speakers wired up properly before you start the measurement. You will need to get out of the car to start the measurement, and obviously turn off any air conditioning or anything that makes noise, so make sure you don't have the engine running. I'm just going to set up the camera here and get out. I'll fast forward through this part because it will be pretty boring to watch. It takes a few minutes to set up. Just need to hit start, select your listening position, and it'll give you a little countdown. You can listen to the music. So once the measurement's complete, you just need to disconnect the setup microphone and push the home button. That'll take you back to the home screen. And that's it. You're ready for your fat beats. Once again, thanks for watching. Be sure to hit the like button if this has helped you out. You can leave me a comment down below and also subscribe. Thanks.